Unplug the power plug of the cup switch. Unplug the power plug of the cup dispenser. Remove the fixing screws of the cup dispenser. Remove the cup dispenser. Remove the screws on the metal plate above the cup dispenser and remove the metal plate. Remove the screws on left sides of the metal plates of the cup dispenser. Remove the fixing glue on the terminal and remove the terminal from the metal plate. Remove the power terminals on the cup dispenser. Remove the 4 fixing screws located below the cup dispenser. Fix the nuts for the infrared beams with the pointed nose pliers, and remove the screws that fixed the infrared beams. Take out the cup dispenser. Install the cup dispenser to install infrared beams for detection. Install the infrared beams using nuts and screws. Fix the nuts on both sides. Install the cup dispenser back in place. Install the fixing screws below the cup dispenser. Connect the power terminals of the cup dispenser. The blue ones are in the middle and the brown ones are on the right. Install the metal plate on the left side of the cup dispenser. Pass the terminals through the metal plate and apply glue for fixation. Insert the terminal back in. Install the screws for the top metal plate of the cup dispenser. Install the cup switcher. The fixing screws for installing the cup switcher. Connect the power interface for the cup switcher. The red wire is on the left and the white wire is on the right. Fasten the power interface of the cup switcher with cable tie for fixation.